Hi everybody, it is Procreate Friday, and if you didn't know that was a thing, it is. This is the second week of it. This is a new thing that I have started, and the reason why I'm starting it for my viewers that have been around for a while is because I have wrecked my ankle and cannot do the artwork that I usually do by hand and all my painting, but I will be getting back to that as soon as possible. And since I still want to paint and whatnot, then I thought I will do Procreate. And I have been actually doing Procreate for a while, but I thought I would actually do some Procreate videos. So I kind of explained this last week too. You can check that video out up there. I will put the card there for you. But what I'm doing right now is painting in the style of Pino Dani, and I don't know how to say that last name, like it's Italian. Pino, it's spelled D-A-E-N-I, that's the last name, and the first name is P-I-N-O. Anyways, that is my favorite artist, and so what I wanted to do was use Procreate in a way that was as similar as possible, as close as possible to what an actual hand painting would look like. And I'm just going to be continuing to do this every Friday, and as soon as I can get back to normal video tutorials, then I will definitely be doing that. I have a long list, and I will keep doing this on Fridays, and then another day of the week I will be doing my other videos. And so this is something that is actually a lot of fun. And if you don't even know what Procreate is, it is an app for the iPad. And it's a one-time cost, and it's amazing. For those of you who are wondering if it's worth it, it is so much worth it. You get so much stuff, and the amount of things that you can do it, like you can't even imagine all the things. Like I haven't even gone through, like it will take me forever to go through all the different things I could do. And so this also can be used as a tool to help you in your actual traditional hand painting that you do. It really has helped me actually. And you can just kind of see, it's supposed to just be kind of a relaxing video and not necessarily a tutorial, which I will be doing sometime. For those of you who are interested, let me know down below in the comments how you feel about this, and I would love it if you could click like and subscribe, and I will see you next week.